This is the Tecno Spark 8. In just 4 months, Tecno has introduced a heir to the Tecno Spark 7. It's the latest budget device from Tecno at the moment and is available at 60,000 naira or $148. So in the Spark 8 you have a 64GB of internal storage and a 6.8 inches display and powered by the MediaTek Helio P22 chipset on board. In this video, I will be unboxing this device and also share my thoughts with you. So please, before we get started, please kindly click on the subscribe button if you're new, and if you're a returning subscriber, you are welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to hit the like and share button after watching this video. Tecno Spark 8 is already available in the shelves for sales. However, it's not a direct heir to the Spark 7, cause it comes with a spec that is below the Spark 7. But it's a good entry-level device and a good budget phone. So while waiting for Spark 8P or the Pro, this is a good buy. The only difference here is the redesigned camera bump that is not available on the Tecno Spark 7. So guys, let's get into this box and see what's inside the orange box. It's the same box like the Spark 7. On the back you have the key specs label. So inside you get the device first, then next you have the TPU case, a 12+1 month warranty card, a micro USB cable, the earpiece and the charging brick. Okay, inside the box you have the SIM ejector pin, and that's all you get inside the box of the Tecno Spark 8. This is beautiful, keeping in mind it's a budget smartphone, but it's well built and has a trendy design. The outstanding feature here is the big camera module that also houses the fingerprint, the dual camera and the flashlight. It feels good to hold and not so big, especially if you have a small hand. You can easily operate the device with one hand. It has a glossy finish, and at the back you have the "Stop at Nothing" slogan from the brand. So Tecno has also joined the likes of the Umudigi to add the slogan behind its smartphones, or should I call it a new innovation? So let's see how the TPU case fits the device. I wouldn't love to call it a protective case, but it does complement in a way. This is the aquatic blue color and I love it. But if you take out the TPU case, it's still a beautiful device made of polycarbonate material. On the right side of this device, you have the volume rocker button and the power button. You have smooth curved edges on this device that makes it even more beautiful to behold. On the left, you have the tray for 2 nano SIMs and the micro SD card. And then at the bottom, you have the 3.5 earphone jack, a micro USB port and the microphone. And on the top of this device, you have nothing. Behind is the dual camera lens, the flashlight and the fingerprint sensor. For the display, is a 6.5 inches display and features a water drop notch design with noticeable bezels below and on top. It houses the 8 megapixel front camera with a dual flashlight. The display is an IPS with a HD plus resolution of 120 by 1600 pixels. It has a good display properties with good contrast and colors. For YouTube videos, you can watch 1080p at 60 frames. So what do you think of the display and also the sound coming out from this device? The hood, it runs Android version 11 Go edition. Powering the device is the MediaTek Helio P22 chipset on chip, combined with the 2GB of RAM and the 64GB of internal storage that happens to be one of the key selling points of this phone. And then you have a 5000 mAh battery. I tested out the fingerprint unlock on the device and it's relatively fast. Yes, largely because of the Android 11 Go edition. It unlocks faster and also reliable. You can also play games on this device smoothly. I don't mean heavy gaming, but if you should try it, you might be in for a surprise. On the rear, you have a 16 megapixel camera lens and an AI lens, exactly what you have on the Tecno Spark 7, and it's one of the best camera setup you can get on your device considering its price point. The picture quality is okay, especially in good light conditions, and is generally acceptable. In video recording, this is a 1080p resolution with good picture quality, but when you zoom in on your image, it's not so good. But I love the autofocus, and you can also shoot at 720p.
On the front, guys, you have an 8 megapixel lens, and this is what it feels like shooting a video with the front facing camera of the Tecno Spark 8. The sky is completely blown out, but the picture quality is really not that decent, but it's acceptable considering the price point of this device. So what do you think of the sound quality and the picture quality coming out from the Tecno Spark 8? Do let me know in the comments below.
For me, I would say the selfie quality is good for all your social media postings. But at this price point, you have the Infinite Hot 10T that comes with 4GB of RAM and also a 64GB of internal storage. Or maybe you step up your budget and go for its predecessor, or you wait for the incoming Spark 8P. But please let me know what you think in the comments below, and please like the video and also subscribe before you leave if you are new on the channel. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Peace.